देबाशीष मिश्रा। आज के वीडियो में हम लोग डिस्कशन करेंगे सिलेक्टेड क्वेश्चंस और प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स दैट इज बेस्ड ऑन इलेक्ट्रिकल मशीन 2 5th semester electrical machine 2. So previously in my previous video I have given the selected questions or previous year question paper that is based on electrical power transmission and distribution EPTD. Okay, so today I am going to discuss electrical machine 2 branch electrical and triple. Okay, so जो प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन था 2021 एंड 22 का जो भी क्वेश्चन आए हैं तुम प्रिपरेशन कर सकते हो और उसको छोड़ के जो सब्जेक्ट में तुम्हारा जितना मॉड्यूल है सब मॉड्यूल को कवर कर देना, लेकिन जो क्वेश्चन प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन आया है उसमें से भी कुछ मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चन आ सकता है। चलिए डिस्कशन करते हैं क्या क्या क्वेश्चन आया है। 1A पहले 2 मार्क का क्वेश्चन, स्टेट 2 advantages of short pitched coils in armature winding in an AC machine. Okay, then in B explain why load angle delta is positive for synchronous generator and negative for in case of synchronous motor. theoretical question है, प्रिपेयर करके जाना है। Determine the distribution factor of a 3-phase balanced distribution winding having 9 slots per pole and a coil span of 8 slots. Put the formula, get the answer. Direct question. Then question D, an alternator has the same voltage, frequency and phase sequence as that of the infinite bus. Is it sufficient to put on the synchronization switch now? Give reasons for your answer. Yes or no, just answer and give the proper reason. What do you understand by synchronizing of alternator? Synchronizing alternator में तुम क्या समझते हो, explain करो। Why per phase XD of a salient pole 3-phase alternator is greater than its XQ? XD and XQ, calculation of XD and XQ, it is also very important. For the same kVA load, efficiency of an alternating at a leading power factor is more than that lagging power factor. Explain. Then explain the objective of using an auxiliary winding in a single phase induction motor. How it is different from the main winding. So मेन वाइंडिंग क्या है, ऑक्सिलरी वाइंडिंग क्या है, इसको प्रिपेयर करके जाना है। एंड व्हाट इज द स्पीड रेगुलेशन ऑफ ए सिंक्रोनस मोटर, जस्टिफाई। देन और एक प्रॉब्लम आया है, ए 50 हर्ट्ज एंड 60 हर्ट्ज अल्टरनेटर्स आर मैकेनिकली कपल्ड टुगेदर at the maximum speed it should rotate so as to induce voltage at their related frequency. Then we have to calculate the maximum speed. At what maximum speed? So these are the 2 marks questions previous year. This question were there. It is on 2021 and 22 previous year question papers. Then we will discuss 6 mark questions. First problem. So electrical machine, it is a mixture of problem and theory. So at least you prepare some problems. You can answer maximum questions. A 3-phase 6-pole 1000 rpm alternator has a diameter of 28 cm, length is 23 cm and a double layer winding. The winding is accommodated in 4 slots per pole per phase with 4 turns per coil. The coils are short pitched by 1 slot. The fundamental flux density is 0.87 T, whereas third of fifth or B3 is equal to 0.230 and B3 is equal to 0.140. Calculate the line and phase voltage when connected in star. It is a problematic question. A 3-phase star connected synchronous motor has synchronous impedance of 1 plus J10 ohm per phase. It is the operating at a constant voltage of 6.6 kV and its field current is adjusted to give the excitation voltage of 6.4 kV. Find the power output, armature current and power factor under the condition of maximum power output. theoretical problematic question. Then theoretical question, what do you understand by parallel operation of alternator? एक पूरा direct question है. Explain different conditions required for parallel operation of three-phase synchronous generator to the infinite pause. Okay, draw and explain the equivalent circuit and phasor diagram of three-phase induction motor. ये भी direct question है. Differentiate between three-phase and single-phase induction motor. Three-phase and single-phase induction motor में क्या difference है? Explain double revolving field theory for single-phase induction motor. ये very important question है. Then और एक problem आ चुका है. A 10 kilowatt 400 volt 4 pole delta connected squirrel cage induction motor gave the following test results. No load test, this block rotor test, this the DC resistance of the starter winding per phase measured immediately after the blocked rotor test in 0.6 ohm. Calculate the rotational loss and equivalent circuit parameters. ये जो क्वेश्चन है ये डायरेक्ट बुक से आया हुआ है. तुम जब भी बुक फॉलो कर सकते हो. डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन ऐसा क्वेश्चन है तो सॉल्व कर सकते हो. Analyze how armature reaction in synchronous generator is going to affect its generated EMF. Then explain the synchronous impedance method of voltage regulation calculation of alternator. Discuss its advantages and disadvantages. Then और एक problem maximum problem आया है 6 मार्क का क्वेश्चन में. A 3-phase 20 kVA 400 volt star connected alternator is delivering related load at 400 volt and a power factor of 0.8 lagging. Its synchronous speed is 0.5 plus J4 ohm per phase. Find the load angle of operation and voltage regulation. Also calculate the power factor for which the voltage regulation becomes 0. Then a 3-phase analyze how armature reaction in generated EMF. Explain the synchronous impedance method of voltage regulation calculation of alternator. Discuss its advantages. Then a problem, a 3-phase 20 kVA 400 volt star connected alternator is delivering related load 400 volt, power factor 0.8 lagging. A synchronous impedance is this much. Find the load angle of operation and voltage regulation. Also calculate the power factor for which the regulation becomes 0. Two similar alternators operate in parallel. Have the following data. Alternator 1, alternator 2 determine how total load of 1200 kilowatt is shared between two and operating frequency. Then bit 2 maximum load that can be delivered by both without overloading either of them. Then और एक प्रॉब्लम इसको देख लेना. एक्सप्लेन डिफरेंट मेथड्स ऑफ स्टार्टिंग ऑफ 3-phase इंडक्शन मोटर. ये भी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. ओके, देन विल गो टू द लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन. डिस्कस वेरियस मेथड्स ऑफ स्टार्टिंग यूज्ड फॉर सिंक्रोनस मोटर. एक्सप्लेन विथ द हेल्प ऑफ फेजर डायग्राम द इफेक्ट ऑफ वेरिंग एक्साइटेशन ऑन आर्मेचर करंट एंड पावर फैक्टर इन ए सिंक्रोनस मोटर. 16 मार्क का क्वेश्चन जो है वो थियोरेटिकल मैक्सिमम आया हुआ है. डिस्कस टू रिएक्शन थ्योरी ऑफ साइलेंट पोल सिंक्रोनस मशीन एंड हेंस एक्सप्लेन इट्स फेजर डायग्राम. कंपेयर इट विथ सिलेंड्रिकल रोटर सिंक्रोनस मशीन. देन डिस्क्राइब वेरियस मेथड्स फॉर कंट्रोलिंग द स्पीड ऑफ ए 3-phase इंडक्शन मोटर. ऑल्सो एक्सप्लेन स्लीप पावर रिकवरी मेथड for speed control. Okay, draw the circuit model of a single phase induction motor and explain how the parameter can be calculated from no load and block rotor test. So these are the theoretical questions. 16 mark questions that is coming directly theoretical, but 6 mark questions maximum problems are there, and 2 mark questions that is the mixture of theory and problematic. Okay, so you practice all the problems or theories, it will definitely help you in your semester. So अगर अच्छा लगा तो लाइक कर देना, कुछ डाउट है तो कमेंट करके बताना, एंड न्यू हो तो सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लेना. ऐसे न्यू अपडेट तुम लोगों को हर दिन मिलता रहेगा. फिर मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कुछ न्यू इंपोर्टेंट अपडेट के साथ. थैंक यू.